If you're new to investing and want to use the Moomoo app, the quick tutorial will get you started. First, download the Moomoo app and create an account by entering your personal details and verify your identity. Once that's done, link your bank account to fund your trading. When you open the app, you'll see the main dashboard. Here you can access your watch list to keep track of stocks you're interested in, check the markets for real-time data, and explore trending stocks and ETFs. To research a stock, simply use the search bar at the top. Tap any stock to view detailed charts, news, and analyst ratings to help you make informed decisions. Ready to trade? Tap the trade button on the stock's page. You can place a market order to buy or sell immediately at the current price, or set a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. Enter the number of shares and confirm your order. You can monitor your portfolio from the Accounts tab, where you'll see your holdings, cash balance, and recent trades. The app also offers educational content and a community forum if you want to learn more or connect with other investors. That's it. With Moomoo, you have powerful tools right at your fingertips to start your investing journey. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below.